What's up, fam? It's your girl Shareen Nicole back with another review. So today I want to talk to you about this. So this is Maree, and this is their 3-in-1 active formula. This is a lip sleeping mask, y'all. Get into this. So before we get started opening it, I do want to mention a couple of things. It says soft, yes, and glossy lips. Yes to the mess-free application. Yes to anti-aging lip care. Yes to long-lasting hydration. And yes to gentle, safe formula. So I'll show you guys that right there, just so you guys can see that. So you have two ways to use this. You can use this overnight, like before bed. You put this lip balm on and you are good to go, honey. In the morning, your lips is gonna be luscious like or you can do the hydrating lip method, which is during the day. You just want to go ahead and apply some. Now they do say that they want you to use a brush, and I don't have a brush handy right now. So my lip brush and all that other good jazz is upstairs and I can't get to it right now. But what I will do is definitely open this, smell this, and hopefully try to apply it with my fingernail because I have long nails. So it's like a brush, right? Oh, lovely. I just opened it and it comes with the applicator. Yes. So I'm happy about that. So let's get into this box, baby. So this is what the jar looks like. It'll come like so. And it says beauty. Am I reading this backwards? Yes, I am. Meet Maree, true to your beauty. So that is what it says on there. And then it says here, deep renewal, hydration and repair. Because baby, sometimes them lips be dry and crusty, and I know firsthand. So let me go ahead and open this up. Ooh, she smells good. She smells like strawberries and cream. Like, y'all see it? So that's what it's looking like right there. So what I want to do is I want to get this lipstick off because I don't want to contaminate it. And we're going to go ahead and put this on our lips. Yes, y'all, 2025 is the year for hydration and modification. Because we're going to have to modify a couple of things, okay, baby? You can't be out here with no ashy lips. And dry, crusty lips, that's no bueno. So yes, y'all, I'm just going to remove what I can, and then we'll get it on and popping. But I think this is going to be a good look, especially for sleep, you know what I'm saying? When you go to sleep, that's the worst time. That's when your lips dry up the most, I feel. I mean, that's just me. I don't know. Y'all could comment and let me know when your lips dry up. But for me, it's definitely at night. And I feel like that's because you have your mouth open, or you might be drooling or something. Like, so yes, honey. All right. I think I got most of it off. Ta-da! Oh. I got as much as I could off. And so we're gonna go ahead and apply that. Oh, this is nice. It's like a nice little silicone spoon scoopy. That's pretty cool. So like it says apply a thin layer. Well, according to your lips, honey, because if you got big lips, you might want to use a little bit more. So here we go. Okay. It goes on smooth and it smells really good. So since I put a little bit more, I'm just gonna do that whole smushing thing. All right, so this is what my lips are looking like right now. I should have showed you them as soon as I took that crusty lipstick off, but this is what they're looking like right now. They feel hydrated. They definitely feel moisturized, and I'm here for it. I don't know, what y'all think? I think they look good. Like I said, don't mind the little pieces I couldn't get off of lipstick, but other than that, I like it. I really do. It's no tingly feeling. It's nothing of that nature. Everything feels natural. It feels like a natural lip gloss, lip balm, you know, but it's a lip mask. You know what I'm saying? It's going to make your lips feel that much better and just feel that much better in the morning. Now, I know it's daytime, so I will be applying this on a day-to-day, all-day basis, and I'm here for it. So hopefully, guys, this helped you out. I really do like this. It feels amazing and it smells delicioso, baby. So if this is something you want to pick up, you already know what to do. And I will see you guys in my next review. Bye.